Hey guys, good morning. Mr. Price here again with another explanation for how to complete your word wisdom assignment. So today you're going to take a look at the prefixes that are listed right up here, and you're also going to need to consider the roots that you learned about yesterday. The directions read, circle any roots and prefixes you find in the boldface words below. Use context clues, roots, and prefixes to write the meaning of the word. Check your definitions in the dictionary. So basically, they're saying that when you're going to look at these words that are in the sentences below, you're going to circle any prefixes that you find from this list that are a part of the word, and you're also going to circle any roots that are found within the word. You're then going to consider what the prefixes and roots mean, as well as how that word is being used in the sentence to make a prediction about what you think it means. When you're done, you're going to check your prediction in the word wisdom dictionary to see if you were right or wrong. So let's take a second and do one of these together. I'm going to select the drawing feature. I'm going to make sure that I'm using a 1-point line. And let's take a look here at number 3. So even though it's just one letter, that letter E, I see that it is one of the prefixes up there. So I will go ahead and circle that. It's okay if yours isn't perfect. Now as I continue through the word, I see locu, L-O-C-U, and that's one of the roots from yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that as well. And then I'm going to think about it. So, from and speak, okay, doesn't really tell me all that much in this instance. But let's see if the context clues will do anything. The speaker had such good elocution that everyone understood her. Well, what's something that good speakers need, or what are some things that good speakers need? I know that a good speaker needs to have good volume in their voice, and they tend to have good mannerisms as well. Some of the best public speakers that I think you'll ever find are very animated. So I'm going to go ahead and put that as my answer. So now that I have my prediction about what I think the word means based on the prefixes, the roots, and context clues, I'm going to consult the word wisdom dictionary. I'm going to scroll down until I find elocution. And there it is, public speaking that emphasizes good delivery and gestures. Well, I definitely think that I'm on the right track with my thinking that I had on the previous page where I mentioned volume and mannerisms, because that's exactly what good delivery and gestures are. Good delivery would be speaking at a volume so that everyone could hear you, and gestures are mannerisms that allow you to be more animated while speaking. So just to kind of confirm things for myself, I'm going to go here, I'm going to take this green drawing, I'm going to check that I was on the right track for that one. If I'd been on the wrong track, I'm going to take a red and I'd check that once I consult the word wisdom dictionary. That way, you know what words you may need to focus on when you're studying for the test for the end of the week. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop by my office hours and I will happily assist you. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.